Howdy folks, just up here at the barn. I'm gonna mess with this old engine. Thought I'd film a little bit of it, taking it apart. Here we go. It's an old 350. I already pulled one intake, one head off, but I think I'm going to use this block, put back in the old red, white and blue truck there. It's in pretty good shape. 40 over. Get better light, I guess. But I pulled the head off and cylinders look okay. I think I can just hone it and throw some new rings in it and hone it and go on. And go from there. But anyway, there it is. We get the other head off and some of this junk off the front, and we'll see what that side looks like. Well, okay, got this side off, and don't look too bad for an old engine. I mean, it has no ring groove at all. Tad bit on that one, but not much. This looks like it does, but it don't. These here, you can't even feel it. Can't beat that. Overall though, it don't look too bad. I think this will be the one. I think it will. I'll just clean her up, throw the hone to it, put her back together. A little budget rebuild. Get that old truck back together. I'll order a big old lumpy cam, put back in this one, and I've got a new crank kit. I'll put it in it. So I'll just order me up some rings and I'll be good to go. Already got an oil pump, already got a new timing chain. So hey, this will be the one. Okay, I went ahead and pulled some of these lifters out. You can see this one here. See that big circle there in the center? That's wore out. That's plumb wore out. You can even feel it's a little rough. The side's way smoother than the surface. Yeah, I can feel it pretty good on the fingernail. Pretty rough. That's plumb wore out. That one there is no good. I looked at this one here a while ago too. It's not as bad. Wipe it off here. But yeah, it is. Caught the light just right. It's pretty rough. Been around quite a while. So they don't need to worry about that cam. I didn't figure there was anyway. It's just stock cam. Well, yeah, it ain't stock. It's just a tiny bit above stock. But anyway, that's it. That's the top end anyway. Cylinders all look good. I'm happy with that. Well, got the pan off. Looking in there at it, everything's pretty clean. Honestly, a guy could probably this motor wasn't knocking. Guy could probably run it the way it is. Put some new heads on it. You can see down in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's still some. You can see the crosshatch in the bottom of that cylinder. I know it's the bottom, but still, the piston does rub that, and the skirt rubs it. It looks good. The bottom of the skirts look good on the pistons. So I don't think it's got a whole lot of wear. Like I said, it's got no ring groove at all. So that's a bonus. I'll go ahead and pull one of these main caps. I'll go ahead and pull the main cap here and see what it looks like, just for curiosity. Even though I'm not going to be using the crank, might be a crank I can save for another project. Or if the crank looks real good, I may just slap some bearings on it and run it. I'm all about the budget build. You know, everything ain't got to be spiffy, brand new, fresh in the machine shop. And that last motor I just pulled out of that red truck, that motor's seen 6,500 RPMs many times, and it was built right here in the barn. And that was an old crankshaft that run emery cloth around, polished up, slapped new bearings on it, and let it rip for the last 15 years. So it can be done. Anyway, let me pull one of these. Let me pull these number 1 rod cap, and we'll see what it looks like. Well, here we go. It don't look that bad. I mean, you can see some lines, but I mean, there's nothing there. I mean, it's slick as a ribbon. And the bearing, it shows a little, but I mean, it's not rough per se. I mean, got a little extra wear there on that end, but honestly, it's got a lot of miles left in it. Person wanted to put it together and run it, but I think while I'm in it, I'll go ahead and put bearings in it. So probably go ahead and put a crank in it. Just oil this crank up, wrap it in a plastic bag, and save it for another project. But there it is. I think it's a pretty decent candidate. It'll do what I need it to do.